Heart. Chapter 1. What is your heart? Your heart started working before you were born. It will work every day of your life. It will never stop to rest. That's amazing. You may see red hearts on shirts, candy, or balloons. Is that what your heart looks like? No, your heart looks different. Your heart is made of muscle and blood vessels. Your heart works as a pump. It pushes blood through your entire body. Your heart is in the middle of your chest. Your rib bones protect your heart. Close your hand tightly. What size is it? That is about the same size as your heart. As you grow, your heart grows too. When you exercise, your muscles work hard. If you run a long time, your leg muscles get tired. You have to stop. After resting, your leg muscles can run again. Your heart is a muscle too, but it never stops to rest. When you exercise, your heart beats faster. When you sleep, your heart keeps a steady beat. Chapter 2. What is a heartbeat? Your heart makes a sound as it works. This is called your heartbeat. A doctor or nurse listens to your heart with a stethoscope. If you are healthy, your heartbeat is strong. To understand why the heart makes that sound, you need to see how it works. Your heart has 4 parts called chambers. The chamber at the top left is called the left atrium. At the top right is the right atrium. The bottom left chamber is the left ventricle. The bottom right is the right ventricle. Valves separate each atrium from the ventricle below it. The valves stop blood from flowing backwards through the heart. Your heart fills with blood. Then it pushes the blood back out. The heartbeat is the sound of blood going in and out of your heart. Your heart beats 60 to 140 times every minute. The speed depends on whether you are resting or exercising. The speed that your heart beats is called your heart rate. The average heart beats 100,000 times every day. You can check your own heart rate without a stethoscope. Press 2 fingers on your wrist. You can feel the blood move as the heart beats. This is called your pulse. Count how many times it beats in 1 minute. Try this after you exercise and when you are resting. When is your heart rate higher? Chapter 3. Pumping blood. Your heart is part of your circulatory system. Your blood moves through your body. It travels from the heart. It goes out to your fingers and toes, and then back to the heart. This is called circulation. There are 2 main types of blood vessels: veins and arteries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart to the body. Veins carry blood from the body back to the heart. Every cell in your body needs oxygen to live and work. You breathe in oxygen from the air into your lungs. Red blood cells pick up oxygen. They come back to the heart. Then, the heart pumps this blood to the rest of the body. Blood also carries food to cells and waste away from cells. Blood has other jobs too. There are white blood cells that help you fight disease. White blood cells kill germs that make you sick. there is a third kind of cell in your blood. These are called platelets. When you get a small cut, platelets stick together to stop the bleeding. If you get a large cut, a doctor may have to close the cut. Chapter 4. Heart Problems. Not everyone is born with a good heart. Some babies are born with heart problems. There may be a small hole between the chambers of the heart. Sometimes, this hole closes all by itself. Other times, a doctor must go in and close the hole. Anyone can have heart problems later in life. Heart attacks are a big problem. A heart attack happens when an area of the heart dies. Heart cells die if they don't get enough oxygen. A blood vessel can get blocked if a fatty material called plaque builds up. Plaque gets into the blood from people smoking or eating fatty foods. If an artery becomes completely blocked, the red cells cannot take oxygen past that point. Then, the part of the heart that can't get blood dies. A big heart attack can kill a person. However, some heart attacks kill only a small part of the heart. The person will still live. A doctor can go in and clean out some arteries so that blood can flow again. Other times, the doctor makes a new path for the blood around the blocked area. Chapter 5. Love your heart. Taking good care of your heart keeps it strong and healthy. There are 3 main things you can do to take care of your heart. First, you should eat healthy foods like fruits and vegetables. Eating food that is full of fat, like hamburgers, builds plaque in your arteries. Foods with a lot of sugar, like candy and cake, make you gain weight. If your body gets fat, your heart must work extra hard. The second thing you can do is never smoke tobacco. Smoking is very bad for your heart and lungs. The final thing is to get lots of exercise. Exercise makes all your muscles stronger, including your heart. So have fun. Play with all your heart. Your life depends on it.